Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Anissa Dwi Citra.
My name is Tiara Melinasari.
I'm Salsabila Jen Fitri.
I'm Zara Lorenza.
My name is Giri Harjana.
We are from Group 1.
What is the coronavirus? Coronavirus or severe acute respiratory syndrome, coronavirus 2 or SARS-CoV-2, is a virus that attacks the respiratory system. The disease caused by this viral infection is called COVID-19. Coronavirus can cause mild disorders of the respiratory system, severe lung infection, and even death.
The most common symptom: fever, cough, fatigue, loss of taste or smell. Slightly uncommon symptom: sore throat, headache, action pain, diarrhea, discoloration of the finger or toes, red or erythema. Serious symptom: soreness severe, difficulty speaking or moving, and chest pain.
What causes corona? First, droplet can be inhaled or land in the mouth, nose, or eyes of the person nearby. Infected patient releases infection agents via droplet to susceptible individual in the close proximity and via droplet nuclei suspended in air to other individuals who are farther away. Second, touches a surface or object with the virus on it and the touches are mouth, nose, or eyes. A susceptible individual is exposed to infection virus by physical contact with the object contaminated with infection virus releases by an infection patient.
How we can prevent that? First, wash hands with soap and water with 6 steps. This is step 1, wash palms and fingers. Step 2, wash back of hands. Step 3, wash fingers and knuckles. Step 4, wash thumbs. Step 5, wash fingers tips. And step 6, wash wrist. And the second action is wearing a mask. At the start of coronavirus pandemic last year, the World Health Organization said that the use of masks was only recommended for sick people, not for healthy people. However, the coronavirus is rampant today has made health protocols subject to change over time. And the third action is reduce mobility. The virus that causes corona can be anywhere. So, the more time you spend outdoors, the higher your exposure to this nasty virus will be. Therefore, if there is no urgent need, stay at home.
Stay away from the crowd. The practice of social distancing means stay home and away from others as much as possible to help prevent spread of COVID-19. The practice of social distancing encourages the use of things such as only video and phone communication instead of in-person contact. Keep the distancing at least. Keeping distance of a less on matter is one of the recommendations of health experts to reduce your risk of getting infected by more than 80%. However, this also needs to become accompanied by the application of the other health protocol, such as the use of proper and good masks and the habit of always washing hands. The longer you place yourself in a crowd, the greater your chance of contracting COVID-19. Get vaccine. Vaccination is the admin, administration of vaccine antigens that can stimulate the formation of immunity antibodies of the immune system in the body. Vaccination is a very reliable primary prevention effort to prevent disease that can be prevented by vaccination.